Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Prisma filter to make your photo perfect for Instagram. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost the same on Android too. First, open the Prisma app on your phone. Now select the photo from your gallery by tapping the plus or choose photo button. Photo with good lighting work best for Instagram. Once the photo opens, you will see a row of Prisma AI filter at the bottom. Swipe left or right and tap on the filter to apply it. For Instagram, choose the filter that looks clean and stylish, not too heavy. Use the intensity slider below the filter to reduce the strength slightly so the photo looks natural. Next, tap the adjust or edit icon. Here, fine-tune user photo by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation. Small changes makes a big difference for Instagram photo. To check the difference, tap and hold on the photo to see the original version, then release to see the edited one. When you are happy with the looks, tap done or next at the top. Then tap save to download the photo to your iPhone. Finally, open Instagram, tap create post, select your edited photo and share it. That's it. You have successfully used Prisma filter to create Instagram ready photo. And that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.